In this video, we will explore how to add and edit a division and location within Clovers. A division is an organizational unit like a department or a business unit. If you are an agency recruiter, perhaps a division can be a specific client. A location can be a city or a specific office. If your Clovers instance is integrated with an applicant tracking system, divisions and locations should be added from there, and they will flow into Clovers automatically. For those without an ATS integration, there are two ways you can add division and location directly into your Clovers instance. The first way is by adding your new division or location to the list as you create a requisition. To do so, navigate to the briefcase icon in the leftmost panel. This will take you into the requisitions page. On the upper right-hand corner of the page, click into the Add Requisition button. A page will display asking you to choose a role template. In this video, we will skip this step. Enter in the requisition title and type in the name of the new location you want added. Choose the location from the drop-down. The same with division. Click Next. Choose your hiring team and create the requisition. Once you create the requisition, the location and division will be added into your Clovers instance. You can now see the new division I added, as well as the new location. The second way to add a new location and division is to navigate to the cogwheel icon on the lower left-hand corner of the screen. This will take you into Settings. From there, click into the tile titled Org Structure. Note that there are two sections and the page defaults to the division section. To add a new division, simply enter the division name and click Save. You can toggle over to location and use the same process. Once a division or location has been created, you can rename them or delete them. When renaming a location or division, requisitions previously created with them will be updated. The same will occur to requisitions if you choose to delete a division or location. A pop-up will appear informing you of the implications of the deletion. To rename, you can simply click into Rename, make the edit, and click Enter. You have now learned how to add and edit a division and location within Clovers.